Hello, welcome to Blue Learning. And today we're going to do something a little bit crazy. So I built a voice assistant. We're going to call it, we're going to ask it some questions, we're going to hang up, and we're going to get the results sent to us by email. Okay, so let's go. What I'm going to do here, I'll just do it. Let's do it live. I'm going to call my uh, voice assistant that I have handling my calls for me. And let's just do a spot check, see how she's doing. Okay, I'm going to give her a call at this number. I think you can all see that. Speakerphone it.
Welcome to Eastmail Computer Services. I'm Ella, your virtual technology specialist. I'm here to assist you with any computer or tech-related questions and help setting tech appointments. May I have your name?
My name is Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. What can I assist you with today? Is it for tech support, scheduling an appointment, billing, an information request, or an emergency?
My dog sat on my laptop and broke the screen. Is that something you guys could fix?
Oh no, Kevin. It sounds like your laptop is now a casualty of a rough day. Unfortunately, we don't replace screens. I'd recommend checking out a local repair shop or even Best Buy's Geek Squad for that kind of thing. Anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, can I talk to somebody, please?
Transferring the call now.
And there you go. It just called me. So now when I get a million phone calls about screen repair, I don't have to handle those anymore. She handles that all for me. So anyway, I just hung up with her. So now I should check my email because there's a few things that I'm going to be getting after we get done talking to her. So now I'm going to bring that over here. All right. Right here. See, it just, so what it does is it transcribes. I ask it to do a couple things. So watch. I get the caller's name. I didn't give a service address or really a service type or a phone number just because I wanted to transfer to somebody. Now, the AI assistant could have done a better job asking for that information, and I might do different video calls so we can dive into different aspects of that. But probably because she transferred me, so she didn't press, hey, before you go, can I get your email, that kind of thing. That's what she's trained to do. But if I just say, give me somebody, uh, she is asked to back off at that point and just transfer me. So here, let's look. Broken laptop screen because the dog's sitting on it. Customer requested to speak with a human representative. The company doesn't offer screen replacement services. Now, where did this come in? How did it get all this stuff? I have a little GPT scenario I'm going to show you. Summary. So I'm asking ChatGPT for a summary of the call. What if it's a really long call and I don't want to sit through all these transcripts of calls? Just high level it for me. Tell me what the call is about. And that's all I have right here. So let me bring in my make.com scenario. And I'm going to stop it. It's doing a constant listen at this point. So as data arrives, it's going to, it's called a webhook. So the high level version of this is when you get done talking to the assistant, that assistant is going to call one address, and that one address is here. So it hangs up and it sends all the information to make. And then here's the GPT part of that I wanted to show you. Okay, the GPT part. Now, there's a lot of Chat GPT inside of the AI assistant that we were talking to, but that's going to be for another lesson. I really just wanted to showcase the assistant a little bit and then show you guys a little bit about how this works in the background. So very easy texting here is just give me a summary of this call. and it brings in the transcript. The markdown, that just kind of strips down some of the text. And then my Gmail assistant sends me an email with that as the subject. And here is the template. Basically, the template is bringing in a summary of the call and the transcript of the call. And there's some other information. Oh yeah, the reason this is white is because there was no information given. So that's why. But anyway, let's look at the result one more time. Oh, where was it? Email. Let's see the result. Oh, I'll bring the email over. So this is the result of that call we just made. Okay, so summary, issue, summary. So think of this in your business. This is something that we can build for you guys. Real estate, we can handle calls, we can hand off to different agents. That's why I showed you that example. If somebody's inquiring about a house and they go, hey, can I just talk to the agent? It'll send you right over to any phone number. If you have a large real estate office and you have, say, 10 agents or 20 agents, maybe we can make it so any address that they call on, they will automatically get routed to that agent. So there's some customizations we can do, but it's really cool, fun tech, and I thought I would take a few minutes to show you guys a little bit about how that works. We didn't get too detailed, but I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit about how that works. We'll do some details and we'll dig into the voice part of it, how I trained it, how did it know that we don't fix screens? Well, there's a way I trained it to do that. So we'll dive into that in the second part. Okay, thank you for watching Blue Learning.